Good morning, everybody. It's Diana, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator with stampingwithdie.com. And I am actually over in a different area of my studio. This is where I record my videos ahead of time. But I'm able to have my phone up a little higher so I can explain the class that we have coming up. Okay, so this is like a new this is a new way to do a class. This is not how all the classes will be by all means, but so I think it's confusing a few people. So I thought, hey, you know what? I'm going to pop on and I'm just going to explain it a little bit. That way, if you have any questions, you can ask them, and hopefully they'll show up on my phone. I'm going to zip over to my laptop because I'm not at my computer. So I'm going to go over here. Come on. Okay, so at least it looks like I'm in the right spot, so it looks good. So hopefully I will also be able to see comments if you have questions or whatever. So this is the Hello My Dear kit class that Marcy and I are doing with Over the Border. So by doing it this way, you can take the class in the United States and you can take the class in Canada by doing it that way. And that's how we'll be doing all the Over the Border classes when we do them together. Now, what's different with this class is it is a kit. So it comes in this beautiful big box. So if we were to do how we normally do classes, right, where you pay us a registration fee, we order the supplies, we cut your paper, we do all the handling stuff ahead of time, then we repackage it and mail it to you, it would cost you even more to do this class because we would have to send you this big box in the mail, or you would have to pick it up, but still, we would have to get it to you after we got it. So we put our heads together and we were like, well, if people order the box on their own, then it goes directly to them. So we're like, okay, but we want to do some extra little things with the cards that you will be doing with the class. So we're like, okay, so you will order your own kit, but you also are going to want to get the Blushing Bride metallic ribbon. And you're also going to have to order the Love You Always treat boxes because those are going to be used for the alternative projects for the class. So that's why, we were saying, you need to order these 3 items. And in Canada, I believe when you order the 3 items, that earns you a celebration item. In the States, you're just a smidge short. So that's why I suggested, if you want, it is totally up to you. It is not required for the class. But I suggested if you order the Misty Moonlight refill, that puts you over that $50 threshold, and you will be able to pick a celebration item as well with your kit supplies. So because you do get a little Misty Moonlight spot in the kit, and that will keep it nice and juicy throughout the whole class. If you already have a Misty Moonlight refill, but you still want to hit that $50 threshold for the United States, then just pick something else just to get you over the hump. So anyways, so this is the box. I'm not going to open it because I've got some stuff in there that I don't necessarily want you to see. But I did want to show you the box so you kind of understood why we did the class the way we did. Now, I showed the cards yesterday, and here they are again. So these are the ones that are made per the instructions that come with the kit. So we will be making, a set of the cards as the instructions are. So that's exactly how they are. I might have used a different greeting here and there, but it's basically, the cards. But then we'll be doing other things. So I wanted to show you one little sneak. Hi, Candy. Because I thought I want to explain this a little better. All right. So I want to show you one little sneak. So this is one of the little alternative projects that you'll be making. It's the cute little love box. And here's that ribbon you will need. But then Marcy and I have just grabbed from our stash, and I'm sure everybody has a stash of embellishments, and I just chose to put the gold embellishments on mine. So those won't be part of the class. You'll just go into your cupboard and put whatever embellishment you want on it. So that is the one little sneak peek. But I wanted to explain a little better because I know we have demonstrators, we have customers, we have other people that watch our videos, and I had some questions. So people were like, oh, so I just need to order these things and then I can take the class. Yes and no. You can, but you need to remember, you need to purchase these items from either myself, Diana, or Marcy in our stores, and we have codes that you will use. So for my code, this is the code that you will use in order to get the supplies for the January class. Now the class is January the 23rd from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and that's Arizona time, and it is a virtual class. So it is through Zoom, and then we have a private Facebook group that we have set up just for this class, and it will stream in that class. That way, if you miss the Zoom, you can't do the Zoom, or you don't do Zoom, it will stream live in the event so that you can do your cards later. So, and then Marcy's code is this code. So you need to use, in the United States, my code. In Canada, you need to use Marcy's code. So the reasons why we did that is because basically that is your registration fee. So the commission that, that we have earned on when you place that order basically is your registration fee for the class. So hopefully, that helps a little bit if there's any confusion in regards to the class. But this kit is so beautiful, and it's all inclusive. So it has your stamp set, it has your ink, it has the copper twine, your little, like I said, your Misty Moonlight. It has a block. So if you're brand new to stamping, it has, your block all ready to go. It is a photopolymer stamp set. So like I said, hang on. So it's a photopolymer, so you can see through it. Now I have just stuck it on my blocks so that I have them all mounted so that I can just, play with it and do it instead of having to take it off the block each time. But it does come with a block. So I will keep watching for questions or anything like that in regards to the class. You definitely want to order your stuff soon, just because it's taking a little longer for shipping, because you definitely want to have your stuff for the class. And again, it's January the 23rd from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. That's Arizona time. So I believe that is 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. And Marcy can correct me, because I think it's 2 hours different. Now, that's Arizona time. So I guess I shouldn't say that, but that's Marcy's time. But you can live anywhere in the United States. You can live anywhere in Canada and do the class, right? Because it's Zoom. So I'm just going to leave it and say 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Arizona time. And then that way you can look that up and make sure it's the proper time for you. All right. So I think that is all I need to go over. I'm excited for the class. I hope you are too. And have a good rest of the day. And like I said, I'll monitor for questions. I'm also going to upload this to YouTube. So if you have questions on YouTube, let me know. And I'm also going to put it in our Over the Border Facebook group. So if you are not a member of the Over the Border with Diane Marcy Facebook group, make sure to let us know so we can add you. Okay? All right. That's all me for today. I'll see you later. Bye.